Welcome to the engineer jobs. Mahindra and Mahindra Limited is hiring for the post of Deputy Manager, Assembly Process New Tech, having 5 to 8 years of experience with BE/BTech in mechanical/production engineering. Location is based across India. Job description: assembly process knowledge. Able to define and develop process for new product manufacturing. Facilities, equipment, tooling planning for new product manufacturing. Product knowledge: tractor knowledge will be most preferred. Knowledge of equipments like cleaning machines, pneumatic and electrical nut runners. Tightening equipments like torque wrench, torque meter, conveyors, filtration system, testing equipments like dynamometers, calibration equipments, material storage and logistics facilities, etc. Hands-on experience on Teams, CAD data viewing/analysis/study. Budget planning for new product facilities for manufacturing. Hands-on experience on EBOM, MBOM workout and analysis. Hands-on experience on AutoCAD, able to prepare lean layout. Knowledge and able to prepare process documents like ProSay mapping, PFD, PFMEA CP and SOP/WI. Identify and implement high-impact new technology in assembly processes. Knowledge and able to develop POCA yokes for process strengthening. Preferred industries, manufacturing. Scan the QR code to apply for the position. Please like and share the video. Subscribe the channel for more job notifications.